Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Claim Serie at TOTS Milestone Team of the Season Milestone Reward in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Team of the Season event. So you can jump into the Serie I team chapter. So in this Serie I team chapter, all you have to do is play matches and skill games to earn TOTS point E. This one. These matches and skill games will be logged on June, so pay attention. Log on June, 13 June. Sorry. So you can claim 50 A points to spend or to spend TOTS point to get reward in reward path. So after you open the main path, open all the main path, the milestone reward will unlock for you. You can choose one of the reward of the three after completing the reward path. So the first one is Ferguson. You can get this player, 94 central midfielder, play for Bologna. He got four traits: long passer, outside foot shot, is a box-to-box playmaker, box-to-box midfielder player. Or you can claim the senior, the veteran Henrik Mkhitaryan, former United player, Arsenal player, Borussia Dortmund player, and he play for Inter Milan right now. So you can claim this player. Or you can choose Javier Mascherano if you feel you don't want this type of player because you have better OVR player in your club. So you can claim this instead. Javier Mascherano to rank up your player. This is very important to level up or upgrade your OVR. So tap this 100 TOTS point to claim Javier Mascherano or another master reward into your team. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.